In today's smartphone world, battery anxiety is real. Most rugged phones barely last a day, and that's before you factor in cracked screens, water damage, or a drop that sends you straight to the store for a replacement. But what if I told you there are rugged smartphones designed to last not just days or weeks, but up to 6 full months on a single charge? These beasts combine military-grade toughness with monster-sized batteries, making them the ultimate solution for anyone who wants a phone that never quits. In this video, we are diving into 4 of the most powerful rugged smartphones of 2025, tested for durability, drop resistance, waterproofing, and of course, unbelievable battery life. Be sure to check all the product links in the description for the latest prices. OUKITEL WP100 Titan is the ultimate rugged phone that will run for over 6 months on a single charge while surviving the harshest environments. With its gigantic 33,000 mAh lithium polymer battery, it delivers 4,459 hours of 4G standby time and up to 289 hours of continuous 4G calls. Real-world heavy usage tests prove its endurance: 96 hours and 16 minutes at 60 Hz and 74 hours and 6 minutes at 120 Hz, crushing every competitor in battery life. It comes equipped with 66-watt wired fast charging. You can fully recharge this beast in just 4.5 hours. It also includes 18-watt reverse charging, turning it into a portable power station for your other devices. OUKITEL WP100 Titan is built for extreme durability with IP68 and IP69K waterproof and dustproof protection, surviving 1.5-meter immersion for 30 minutes and high-pressure jets. Certified to military standard 810H, it withstands 1.5-meter drops, shocks, vibrations, and extreme temperatures from -45 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius. Powered by Android 14 and a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 5th-generation chipset with dual-core acceleration, it features 48GB RAM and 512GB storage, enough for hundreds of games, thousands of apps. Supporting global 5th-generation networks, it keeps you connected wherever adventure takes you. It carries a 200-megapixel main camera, capturing insane detail even at 30 times zoom, a 32-megapixel front camera with pupil tracking autofocus, and a 20-megapixel infrared night vision camera that reveals what the naked eye cannot. Every 4K video frame holds 80-megapixel level image data, turning extreme environments into cinematic masterpieces. Delivers a built-in 1200 lumen camping light, bright enough to light up 30 meters and replace a car headlight. With 5 smart modes including SOS, plus quad mode satellite positioning, global positioning system, Beidou, GLNOS, and Galileo, you can navigate complete darkness with total confidence. It boasts a 6.8-inch eSports-grade full high-definition plus display with 2460 by 1080 resolution, 650 nits brightness, and a 120 Hz ultra-smooth refresh rate. Priced at $870, OUKITEL WP100 Titan isn't just a rugged phone. It's a survival tool, a mobile theater, a power bank, and a professional camera rolled into one.
Ulefone Armor 34 Pro. Ulefone Armor 34 Pro is a rugged powerhouse designed for extreme conditions, combining unstoppable endurance, cutting-edge performance, and next-level features in one rugged device. Equipped with a massive 25,500 mAh lithium polymer battery, it delivers 138 hours of talk time, 33 hours of video playback, and 1,380 hours of standby time. Real-world testing proves its dominance, lasting 57 hours and 49 minutes during web browsing and nearly 60 hours of continuous video playback. Powered by 66-watt wired fast charging, it reaches 90% charge in just 1.5 hours, while 10-watt reverse charging turns the phone into a portable power station for other devices. It carries IP68 and IP69K water and dust resistance, along with military standard 810H certification, making it impervious to shocks, drops, and harsh environments. Supports dual SIM 5th-generation connectivity, ensuring fast and reliable performance for work, adventure, or streaming anywhere. Delivers a built-in digital light processing projector with 150 lumens of brightness and smart autofocus, projecting a 100-inch screen from just 3 meters away. It features a booming 98 decibels loudspeaker for immersive sound during movies, presentations, or on-site blueprints. It comes with 32 GB of RAM, expandable with virtual memory, 512 GB of storage, expandable up to 2 TB, and a blazing Dimensity 7300 processor running Android 15 for flawless multitasking, gaming, and professional workloads. Boasts a next-level camera system with a 64-megapixel night vision camera supported by 4 infrared light emitting diodes, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 50-megapixel main shooter, and a 32-megapixel front camera for ultra-clear vlogs and calls. Every shot and video is crisp, detailed, and optimized for any lighting condition. It features a 6.95-inch full high-definition plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate under Gorilla Glass 5, delivering ultra-smooth visuals for streaming, gaming, or outdoor work under bright sunlight. Equipped for survival and adventure, it features 1100-lumen light-emitting diode camping light, red and blue warning lights with customizable alarms, near-field communication, Wi-Fi 6th generation, fingerprint unlock, infrared blaster, headset-free FM radio, global positioning system navigation, a customizable key, and full United States carrier support for T-Mobile and Verizon. Delivers flagship-level performance, unmatched versatility, and extreme endurance at just $700, making the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro the ultimate rugged smartphone for professionals, adventurers, and anyone who refuses to compromise on reliability or performance. Unihertz Tank 3 Pro. Tank 3 Pro is a rugged, feature-packed smartphone designed for outdoor adventurers and professionals. It delivers unstoppable 23,800 mAh lithium polymer battery power, providing up to 1,800 hours of standby time and weeks of use without ever needing a recharge. Ignites productivity with a 120-watt fast charging, reaching full capacity in just 1 hour and 53 minutes, while 10-watt reversed wire charging turns the phone into a mobile power station for other devices. It dominates extreme usage scenarios, offering real-world battery life up to 56 hours and 14 minutes under intensive activity, making it perfect for adventurers, professionals, and outdoor explorers. Transforms any environment into a cinematic or professional stage with a 100-lumen projection system, 120Hz dynamic refresh rate, and 854 by 480 high-definition resolution, supporting gaming controllers, cloud gaming, movies, or presentations anytime, anywhere. With a shockproof metal-reinforced design and IP68, IP69K certification, it withstands water, dust, heavy rain, and drops, built for tough environments like construction sites, factories, and the wilderness. Powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 flagship processor built on a 4nm process and reaching 3.1 GHz, it comes with 18 GB of physical RAM plus 18 GB of expandable RAM and 512 GB of storage expandable up to 2 TB, delivering esports-level multitasking, gaming, and 4K video creation. Redefines visual performance with a 6.79-inch full high-definition plus display, 2460 by 1080 resolution, and 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, delivering pixel-perfect colors and swipe responsiveness rivaling professional gaming gear. Corning Gorilla Glass ensures vivid visibility under harsh sunlight and outdoor conditions. Empowers outdoor survival and adventure with a 1200-lumen light-emitting diode camping light featuring 5 modes, including SOS, explosion flash, full brightness,
half brightness, and slightly bright. Breaks barriers in mobile photography with a 200-megapixel main camera, 64-megapixel night vision lens, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a front camera optimized for vlogs and panoramic shots. It supports dual-SIM 5th-generation connectivity across 37 global bands, delivering fast, reliable performance for streaming, travel, work, or remote adventures. Unihertz Tank 3 Pro conquers the toughest challenges with rugged durability, massive battery life, and next-level features, all for just $660.
DOOGEE V Max S. DOOGEE V Max S is a rugged 5G smartphone built for extreme endurance, immersive visuals, and ultimate outdoor performance. It delivers unstoppable 22,000 mAh lithium polymer battery, providing up to 1,540 hours of standby time and nearly a week of continuous calls, ensuring you stay connected even in the wild. Powered by 33-watt fast charging, it reaches full capacity quickly, while reverse charging lets you top up other devices on the go, transforming your phone into a mobile power station. It boasts dual 1200-lumen camping lights with 3 modes: illumination, burst flash, and SOS, and adjustable brightness and duration, making flashlights optional for outdoor adventures while maintaining strong waterproof performance. Transforms your viewing experience with a 6.58-inch full high-definition plus water-drop screen, 1080 by 2408 resolution, and 120 Hz high refresh rate, delivering ultra-smooth visuals whether streaming, gaming, or navigating rugged environments. It comes equipped with full water, dust, and drop resistance certified at IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and any extreme condition. Powered by Dimensity 7050 octa-core processor and Android 14, it delivers fast app response, high gaming smoothness, and excellent energy efficiency to maximize battery life while supporting customized user preferences and flexible sharing options. It offers 8 GB physical plus 16 GB expandable RAM and 256 GB storage, expandable to 2 TB via TF card, using LPDDR5 for smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and better efficiency. Redefines photography with a 108-megapixel ultra-high-definition main camera, a 20-megapixel night vision lens, a 2-megapixel macro sensor, and a 16-megapixel front camera, capturing ultra-clear, detailed shots in any light, while enabling perfect selfies and video calls. At just $400, the DOOGEE V Max S conquers endurance, performance, and rugged reliability, making it the ultimate choice for adventurers, gamers, and professionals who demand power, versatility, and outdoor readiness in one flagship smartphone.
Thanks for watching till the end. It shows you are just as serious about rugged smartphones as we are. 6 months on a single charge. That is the kind of power most phones can only dream of. These 4 rugged smartphones prove that strength and endurance can go hand in hand. Which one would you trust on your next adventure, or even just your everyday grind? Drop your answer in the comments below, and do not forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech.